Welcome to the MoneyThumb tutorial series. Today, we'll be covering how to use pdf2qbo on MoneyThumb Online to create a QBO file from a PDF bank statement and then import that file into QuickBooks Online. First, log into the pdf2qbo web interface by entering your username and password. Once you're signed in, you'll start off on the Settings page. Here you can select your account type, bank or credit card, as well as tweak various options. Once you've entered the appropriate settings, click Save and go to the next tab to start converting, or click the bar up top to change between the various tabs at any time. In the Convert tab, you can simply drag and drop the file you want to convert, or click the button to select the file you want. For this tutorial, we'll be converting a Chase checking account. Once the file has been loaded into the web interface, you'll be able to see a summary of all the data extracted from your PDF. The converter will automatically try to reconcile the balances printed in the PDF with the transactions found. The check mark indicates that this statement reconciled, so we are sure that everything is accurate. Next, we'll move to the Review tab. Here, you can view all the transactions extracted by browsing through the pages or changing how many transactions are displayed. If you want to examine a particular transaction, click the magnifying glass next to it to see how it appears in the PDF. The transaction you select will be highlighted in yellow. A great feature of MoneyThumb's software is Payee Cleanup. In this area, you can remove extraneous data from your transaction descriptions to make it a lot simpler to use in your financial software. You can just click these boxes to remove dates, phone numbers, numbers that start with the number symbol, etc. And over here, you have several boxes where you can type in specific phrases you want to remove. As you can see, most transactions are preceded by card purchase or non-Chase ATM withdraw. Phrases like this, if left alone, could take up a lot of valuable space in the character allotment your finance software gives for your payees. So you can see the phrases I've entered in here have now been removed from the data. Once you're done removing the unwanted data, move to the next tab. Here you can type in the name of your bank to look up its QuickBooks FID and select the bank name for import into QuickBooks. Then enter your account number, which should match the account number in QuickBooks. Then click the Create QBO File button. That's it. You've created a QBO file, and all you have to do is click the Download button to save it to your computer. Next, we'll go to QuickBooks Online. In QuickBooks Online, we'll click on Banking, and then down here to upload transactions manually. Then we'll select the QBO file we converted earlier. Now, if you've already created a QuickBooks account for the bank account the PDF file came from, you can select that account. If not, you can add a new account. So it was a bank and a checking account, and I'll name it Tutorial Checking Account. After that, just click Save and Close, and then in the bottom right corner, we'll click Next. So here's all the data that was in our QBO. What we need to do is assign a QuickBooks customer or vendor for each of the payee names. They can be existing customers or vendors, or you can create a new one. QuickBooks Bank Feeds simplifies that process by remembering which payee names were used previously and automatically assigning them. In this file, you can see Amazon is listed several times, so let's add that as a new vendor. So to add Amazon as a vendor, we'll click anywhere on the transaction, and then where it says Select Payee, we'll type in Amazon. And Quicken can tell it's probably going to be categorized as a supplier, but if it's not, you can click on the drop-down menu and change the payee category right next to its name, and click Save. Then we'll go over here, click Add, and it's been added to the bank register for my checking account. Now you can see for that other recurring charge from Amazon, QuickBooks recognized the payee, and so we can just click the box next to it and then on Batch Actions and accept the selected transactions. So that too will go to the bank register without any additional typing. So for Chevron, we'll do the same thing. We'll click the transaction, enter the name, then save. Then click Add on the right to add this transaction to our banking register. Let's just quickly accept the rest of the transactions. Finally, to see that everything got imported correctly, we click here on Accounting, and we can click on Tutorial Checking Account. And here's all our transactions, with the payees listed next to them. So now, what we've accomplished is any further transactions from the same payees in your statements get classified automatically without you, the user, ever having to type them in again.